Follow these steps for starting your chainsaw on a cold start. Step 1. Engage the safety handle. Push the handle forward. Step 2. Push the power button into the I position. Step 3. Push the primer bubble in 5 to 6 times. You should see fuel in the primer bubble after pressing. Step 4. Pull the choke fully out. Step 5. Hold the machine stationary. Pull the pull cord handle twice only. Quick tip: you will hear the engine partially start. This will sound like the engine has started and died. Step 6. Push the choke in. Step 7. Hold the machine stationary. Pull the pull cord handle 2-3 times. Machine will fire into idle. Step 8. While the machine is idling, disengage the chain brake. Pull it back towards the engine. Step 9. Hold the machine stationary. You can now squeeze the throttle for a few revs. Your startup is now completed. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask our customer service engineer.